Today I will show you how to change from miles to kilometers on your Apple Maps. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change Apple Maps from miles to kilometers on your phone or iPad, you must change the system-wide measurement settings. So this settings cannot be done in the Apple Map. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your settings. Now, once you load up settings, you're gonna go to General. On the General, you're gonna scroll down till you see Language and Region. You click on Language and Region, and you're gonna go to Measurement System. Now, by default, mine is on US, and the United States uses miles for their system for measurement. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna change it to metric, and you're gonna go back. And just like that, the change should take effect from miles to kilometers. That's how you change miles to kilometers on Apple Maps. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.